Estamos aquí fishing with Captain Lesdier, dog. El de Camagüey. Guágata, guágata, guágata. Ahora sí. Caballo. Yegua. Rob, dile algo ahí a la cámara.
Oh, que hola, que hola. Taking these boys out to the fishing spots. They're gonna burn them.
Oye, mi gente, nos vamos.
Oh, aquí you're rigging up the rods because these guys don't know how to do shit.
You're the rod guy today.
Yeah,
This is a rod that we're gonna catch big fish. I don't know about that. Tú sabes que Rob also said hoy que iba a estar ahí en casa de Lesdier at 5:45. He showed up at 6:30. Vamos a ver qué pasa. Look at this guy right here. This guy's whole setup. He's trolling. Good morning.
so what we have here is a nice little Barracuda rig.
A Barracuda.
A Barracuda. Got the ballyhoo very nice. Front and back, nobody missing.
Alright, darling, we're casting the bait. Give me some ching 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 ching. Paga ching 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 chong. Dale.
Hold the rod, hold the rod. Nigga, your fucking bichero sucks dick. You suck dick. This shit's fucking crooked. Pero arranqué la cama, nigga. You suck dick. Tanto billete que tú tienes, nigga, ir un baile un bichero.
Oh.
That's a good size.
Aquí viene, aquí viene. Mira, aquí viene. Toma acá. Come here, bitch. Por el ojo. Por ahí. Rámata.
Mira, mamá. Throw it in the boat. Throw it in the boat.
Oye, eso es otra.
Nigga, throw it in the boat.
Oye, tira el bol. A ver. Quítate.
Nigga, just lift it in the
A ver,
boat.
I'm gonna put it in the boat. I'm gonna put it in the boat. A ver, move. Tranquilo. Oye, el gafe ese no trabaja para nadie.
Jesus Christ, we need gas practice. Holy fuck. Ah man, let's go. Alright, Rob, do your thing.
Dale, Rob.
Nice one, boy. Best sound ever. No pare completo. ¿Cómo que no? Don't stop it, se te va a ir. No, nigga, no.
Dale, Rob. Get him, Rob. Get him, Rob.
Dame acá, bichero.
Esto para que aprenda. Look at it. Go ahead.
Se va a ir para la pequeña. Boy, kill it. Watch out.
Tira.
Ah, la pinga.
Todo ha subido así de milagroso.
De pinga, bro. We need gas practice. Oye. La paja. Está loco, ven. Los juguetes un poco me mata. Apagó esto.
La entrada ahí.
Wait for it. You gotta give it a minute. There you go. Let's go, Ricky. That's a nice one. Look at our boy Ricky with the little mangroves. That shit has teeth. It has big teeth. Measure it right here. Right here. Put it right here. And then put the tail here. No, not good. Put it back.
No
bueno. Se va.
No bueno.
No bueno. Un besito. Boom. And she's gone. Mira, bro. Eso tíralo para la nevera. A nice little jack. And we're signing off for right now. When we get a big boy, when Ricky catches the biggest one, we'll come back.
Say, Rob.
Honestly, I want everybody to talk about the nice little experience we had with the Barracudas.
We need some gaff practice. Other than that, we know, good to go.
Ni la guibiza.
We caught 3.
La vas a matar.
That's the whole point.